Okay, it's November the 16th, 2019. The time is about 4:30. As you can see, it's getting dark, and I'm here in West St. Paul. And I came to Walmart to get stuff on car mount, but they didn't have one that fits. That's me. Click the button below, subscribe, support the channel. Peace. That's me. Subscribe. And now I'm gonna drive to Shakopee. So that's my destination for now. So I'm gonna drive to Shakopee from here, West St. Paul. I'm gonna go on Robert Street, then to 494, and then to 169, and to Shakopee, Mystic Lake. From here, I'm not sure how far. Over there is Cordoba. I've never been there. And right in front of me is Cairns, right there. Now I'm on Robert Street. I did want to buy a cell phone car mount, but I got two different ones, but they don't fit right. One of them doesn't stick well, so the phone keeps falling. So now I'm on Robert Street here. I haven't been on this side in probably a couple of years. I have no business on this side. Over here is a car dealership. They have a lot of car dealerships around here. There's one there, there's one behind there, there's one over there, and there's one in front of me over there, Hyundai. I'm gonna go to 494 West over here. It's coming up. I'm gonna go to West. As you can see, it's 4:53 and it's already dark. Now I'm 494 headed west. The sky looks beautiful because the sun is setting to the west. It's a Saturday evening, so there isn't too much traffic, so driving is pretty smooth here. Smooth meaning they don't have a lot of cars. And the Vikings training center, it's over here somewhere. I think where you see that crane.
2 hours commercial free.
Yep, that's Vikings training facility over there. call it Performance Center right there. They call it Twin Cities Orthopedics Performance Center. That's where Vikings train. Listening to music. Just going at the speed limit. Actually, I'm a little over the speed limit because everybody's going. I'm going about 75, and everybody's going fast too. The speed limit here is 60, but nobody's going 60. There isn't much here to see. America is coming up the hill over there to the left. Alright, that's about it. There isn't much to show here, so I may as well cut. Peace. Support the channel.